Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Kasim Tech. Today my topic is leaves and jump hour. Leaves and jump hour. The electrons from leaves and jumps transport systems. This organ energized electrons move from one E carrier to next. The electron releases energy when it comes. This down drives reactions and produces two energy rich compounds. These are ADP is the compound which is already present in cell. It combines with phosphates by using energy. Is already present in cells. It combines with phosphate by using energy of photon released from when moving through E carrier in photosynthesis. NADPH also present in chloroplast is reduced into NADPH2 by accepting hydrogen's ions H plus released from splitting of water. Both are energy rich compounds which provide energy. Hydrogens and E minus for the conversion of atmospheric CO2 into carbohydrates in chloroplast during light independent phase of photosynthesis. Reactions which captured solar energy transferred to glucose from ATP to NADPH. It takes place in stroma in cyclic manners. During this phase, fixations of atmospheric CO2 also takes place to form organic molecules. Process of photosynthesis is mainly divided into phase or reactions. Light reactions are light dependent reactions. Dark reactions are light independent reactions. The term light reactions are light dependent reaction is used due to the reason that during this phase of photosynthesis light energy is captured and converted into chemical energy. Some of the light is utilized to separate water and oxygen and H plus with electrons. The splitting of waters is called photolysis. Oxygen which is produced during photolysis is released in the environment where air together with CO2 are used in building glucose in chloroplast. Different frequency observe light of different legends among their profile as the main light capturing molecules thyroid membrane which absorb violet, blue and red light but it reflects a green, therefore it appears green in the thyroid membrane. Other pigment and electron carrier molecules from higher organisms and assemblies in a series called photosystems. Each thyroid contains 10,000 of copies of different kind of photosystems called photosystems 1 and 2. Each consists of two major parts: a light harvesting complex and electron transport systems. Conversion of light energy takes place when the chlorophyll of reactions center receive energy. One of the electrons from chlorophyll energized electron move from one E carrier to next. The electron releases energy when it comes down. This energy drives reactions and produces two energy rich compounds. These are adenosine and triphosphates. ADP is the compound which is already present in cells. It combines with phosphates by using energy of photon released from when moving through E carrier in photosynthesis. NADP is also present in chloroplast is reduced into NADPH by accepting hydrogen ions released from splitting of water. ATP and NADPH both are energy rich compounds which provide energy. Hydrogens H plus and E for the conversion of atmospheric CO2 into carbohydrates in chloroplast during light independent phase of photosynthesis. Plants are not only organisms which depend on photosynthesis but animals heterotrophs also depend on photosynthesis. These organisms utilize the molecules of phototrophs as food molecules. If an animal is herbivorous, if it feeds directly on plants, If an animal is carnivorous, it depends on those animals which feed on plants. Thanks for watching.